Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will talk about top 20 best birds for tame. Number 1 Budgie bird. Budgies are so small and beautiful. Number 2 Cockatiel. Cocktail bird are so gentle, affectionate, and great whistlers. Easy to tame and handle. Number 3 Lovebird. Lovebirds are so social and curious, with a strong bond to their owners. Number 4 Parrot. Parrot are so small but feisty and intelligent. Number 5 Canary. Canary are known for their beautiful singing. Number 6 Zebra Finch. Zebra Finch are so low maintenance and cheerful birds. Number 7 Sun Conure. Conure are medium-sized, playful, and social and enjoy spending time with their owners. Number 8 African Gray Parrot. They are so extremely intelligent and capable of learning words and phrases. Number 9 Cockatoo. Cockatoo are so affectionate and cuddly, with playful personalities. Number 10 Green-cheeked Conure. They are smaller, like conure species that are playful and affectionate. Number 11 Indian Ringneck Parakeet. They are so intelligent and capable of talking. Number 12 Eclectus Parrot. They are so gentle and calm, with beautiful plumage. Number 13 Monk Parakeet. They are so social, intelligent, and easy to train. Number 14 Peonis Parrot. They are so quiet and gentle, with a calm demeanor. They are good for first-time parrot owners. Number 15 Macaw. Macaw are so large, colorful, and extremely intelligent. Number 16 Amazon Parrot. They are known for their talking ability and outgoing personality. Number 17 Lorikeet. They are so energetic and playful with vivid colors. Number 18 Rosella. They are so beautiful color and relatively quiet. Number 19 Burke's Parakeet. They are gentle and quiet, ideal for beginners. Number 20 Diamond Dove. They are small, peaceful, and easy to care. Subscribe and follow for watch more videos about birds, fish, and animals. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for support me. All the information used in this video is taken from various international websites, and all the images used are taken from various social media. The images and videos used here do not belong to me. Thank you very much to everyone for watching the video till the end.